Hi children, hope you're all well. So we're going to do some maths this morning, and we're going to do a little bit more addition and subtraction today. Before we do that, we're going to just practice counting. So I have got some maths cubes here, and we're going to count to 20 using these cubes. And after I've already got a block of 10, so we know this is 10. After we've gone past 10, then we're going to add cubes to the top to get to 20. Okay, so can you count with me? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, running out of space in the shot, 19, and 20. Well done. Okay, so as you can see, I've now got two 10s together. Got 10 blues and 10 yellows, which make a total of 20. Okay, so if I just take these yellows off very quickly, we know that this is 10. So whatever we put with this is going to be 10 and something, which are our numbers to 20. So if I add these on the top, can you count how many yellows that is? 2. Well done. So we've got 10 and 2. So what number does that equal to? 10 and 2. And if you're not sure, count on from 10. We don't need to count from the bottom, from 0. We know this is 10. So we're going to start counting from 10, 11, 12. 10 and 2 is 12. Well done. Good. Okay, I'm going to add 3 more. So now we've got 5 yellows. Okay, so we've got 10 and 5. How many is that? 10 and 5. Okay, if you're not sure, then you count, but count from 10, because we know that there's 10. Oh, we know that there's 10. So we've got 10 here, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Well done. Okay. Now let's add another 2. So now we've got 7 yellows, 10 and 7. What number does that make? 17. Well done. And let's put all of the yellows on top. So now I've got 10 yellows and 10 blues. Can you remember what the answer was for that one? It was 20. Well done if you said 20. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to play a little mystery game. So I've got my pot here, and I'm going to put some cubes in the pot. Okay, and I'm going to tell you how many I'm putting in, and then I'm going to put some more in. And I want you to see if you can work out what the total is going to be. So here we go. Okay, so I've got 3 cubes going in the pot. And now I'm going to put another 3 cubes in the pot. Can you tell me how many cubes are in the pot now? So we've put 3 and 3. How many cubes are in the pot now? Let's dip that out and see if you're right. We had 3 and 3, which has made 6. Well done if you said 6. Okay. This time, I'm going to put this many cubes in the pot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes in the pot. Let's put them in. Okay. And I'm going to add, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more cubes in the pot. Let's add them in. I might have to break them up a bit so you can't see them. Okay. How many cubes are in the pot now? I had 5 and I added 6. How many is in there now? So if you're not sure, then count on. We know that we started with 5, so count on from 5, 6 more. Let's put them together now. So we know we've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 5 and 6 is 11. Well done, good. Let's do one more. This time I'm going to put should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cubes in the pot. 8 in the go, a bit. Okay. So we started with 8. How many I'm putting in now? 2. Let's put 2 cubes in the pot. How many cubes are in the pot now? We had 8. And we had 2 more. So what's that giving us? Let's have a look and see if we're right. So we had 8. 8. 9. 10. Well done if you said 10. Okay, so remember when we're adding, and if we're using counting on for our adding, we don't need to start counting from 0. We count from the first number that we're given. Or if you really want to make it a lot easier for yourself, always start from the bigger number. Okay, if we're adding, we can always start from the bigger number and count on. Okay, so you've got a very exciting activity to do now. I did bring it here. There we go. So you've got a nice sheet to do. And on the sheet is a little key. Okay, so you're going to need a red colouring pencil, an orange colouring pencil, a brown and a black colouring pencil. Okay, and you need to have a look at the sums, and they're either going to be, the answer is either going to be 5, 8, 14 or 20. And some of them are adding and some of them are taking away. Okay, so if the answer is, so let's do 18 take away 13. 18 take away 13 is 5, okay? So we know the answer is 5, so we're going to colour his hair in red, okay? And then by the end, you should have a really colourful picture, okay? So remember, if you're counting on, then you just start with the bigger number if it's adding. If you're taking away, you have got to start with the number that's first, okay, and then count backwards. All right? Hope you got on with that okay. Bye.